If you're getting an Inkscape download error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the safest and easiest way to fix it step by step. Whether your download is blocked, won't start, keeps failing, or the installer won't open, this guide will help you get Inkscape 1.4 downloaded and installed correctly on Windows. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software guides. First, go straight to the official Inkscape download page at inkscape.org/release/1.4/windows/. This is very important because you should avoid third-party mirrors, download wrappers, and any so-called safe downloader sites. Those sites often bundle extra software with the installer, and that can trigger browser warnings, antivirus blocks, or security errors. Once the page loads, look for the Windows installer package, which is the MSI file. Even if the site tries to automatically detect your system, manually choosing the MSI from the correct Windows architecture page is the best way to make sure you get the right version for your computer. This helps prevent downloading the wrong file or ending up with a broken installer. Now, if the download does not start, or if you see a message like blocked, the next thing to check is your browser security settings. Sometimes Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will stop the download because it thinks the file might be unsafe. In many cases, this is just the browser being cautious. You can usually click the downloads icon, review the warning, and choose to keep or allow the file if you trust the official Inkscape website. After the file downloads, do one very important check before opening it. Verify the file size. A complete Inkscape 1.4 MSI installer should usually be around 140 megabytes to 170 megabytes. If your file is only a few kilobytes, that means the download was interrupted or incomplete. In that case, delete the file and download it again from the official page. If the download keeps failing halfway through, the problem may be your internet connection. Try making sure your network is stable before starting again. If the download always stops at the same percentage, a simple fix is to switch browsers. For example, if Chrome is giving you trouble, try Firefox. If that still doesn't work, try a different internet connection, such as another Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Once you have the correct MSI file, right-click it and choose Install. If Windows shows a SmartScreen warning, don't panic. Click More Info and then click Run anyway. This is a common step for many legitimate installers, especially when Windows does not have enough reputation data yet. If the MSI still refuses to launch, there is one more simple trick you can try. Move the installer out of your Downloads folder and place it directly in the root of your C drive. For example, save it as c:\inkscape.msi, then run it from there. This can help bypass folder permission issues that sometimes interfere with installation. So to quickly recap, download from the official Inkscape site, make sure you get the MSI installer, check your browser security settings if the download is blocked, confirm the file size is around 140 to 170 megabytes. Try a different browser or network if the download keeps failing and run the installer from the C drive if needed. That's it. You should now be able to fix the Inkscape download error and install it without the usual problems. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments what error message you are seeing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.